Over the past 30 days, I've interviewed over 100 women, I've read over 30 articles, and I've watched way too many YouTube videos about what makes a man sexy in terms of style. And today, I'm gonna go over the rules. So this video is gonna be broken up into two parts. The first part, I'm gonna go over some general sexy dressing rules you need to follow. In the second part, I'm gonna go over specific items in terms of men's clothing that women find most attractive and sexy. The other thing I wanna mention real quick before we get into this video, if you like this Henley or this sexy ass long sleeve tee or this super sexy quarter zip or the perfect pair of joggers or the perfect hoodie. Gentlemen, now is the time because Cutz is having their once a year 30% off site freaking wide sale. Gentlemen, if you have not been to Cutz, you gotta go now because right now it has never been a better time to stock up on the essentials. Guys, Cutz makes perfect casual clothing. 30% off. Gentlemen, this is the biggest sale that Cutz ever does, and you do not want to miss it because they will sell out of the popular styles in the popular sexiest colors. Guys, do not wait. If you're in the market for new joggers, new henleys, hoodies, sweatshirts, pants, jackets, bombers, they've got anything and everything you need to look stylish, smooth, and sexy because that's the thing. Cutz clothing is sexy as fuck. The fit is amazing. The colors are incredible. The fabric is buttery soft, gentlemen. Super crazy premium quality. And at this price, it's not going to last. Do not wait. You are never going to find a higher quality piece of casual clothing for a better price. Now is the time. You got to go through my link to grab the deal. All right, gentlemen. So now let's go over some of the sexy dressing rules that you need to adopt and pay attention to. Number one is fit, right? I'm just going to get this out of the way up front, right? Fit is the most important thing when it comes to men dressing well and looking sexy. If your clothing is big, if it's baggy, if it's boxy, if it's not highlighting your positive attributes, you are not looking sexy, you're looking frumpy. Number two is all about color, all right? Now, I'm going to just throw this out there. Do not wear big, bright, loud colors if you want to look sexy, right? Sexy is about subdued. It's darker. It's more mysterious. If you are going to be wearing color, do something that's a little bit more muted in terms of color. You've heard the term quiet luxury, right? This term basically refers to a more casual, luxurious look and feel that's not a lot of bright colors. It's also not a lot of patterns, which brings me to the next rule. No patterns on casual clothing, but with suits, patterns make you look better. Suits with bold patterns, gentlemen, are the sexiest option in terms of suiting, all right? Every guy looks good in a suit if the suit is well tailored, but the one thing that sets sexy men apart from the others is that they're not afraid to go bold with their suit pattern. But if you are going to be going bold with the pattern on your suit, you want to make sure that your shirt and any other accessories that you wear are going to be subdued and minimal. You want to really let the suit shine. The next thing we got to talk about is the buttons, because something else that sexy men do differently is they are not afraid to expose a little skin. I've done a bunch of research on this, and what the statistics are showing is that men that unbutton their shirts 3 buttons down are viewed as more attractive and sexy. But if you are going to be rocking this look, you want to make sure that your manscaping game is strong. The next thing we got to talk about in terms of skin is the forearms, gentlemen. As we've talked about a bunch of times, forearms, gentlemen, you got to expose them because women find forearms one of the sexiest features and body parts on a man. Not to mention your booty, which brings me to the next thing. Your jeans have to fit. Super tight jeans look bad. If you can see your moose knuckle, it looks bad. If it looks like you got a wedgie, this is also bad. If your jeans are hanging off your ass, also bad. You got to make sure the jeans fit you properly. This is a perfectly fitting pair of jeans, right? Not too skin tight in the leg, little bit of room, you can pinch an inch. My package looks good. The length is perfect. I paired it with a simple pair of boots and the perfect white Cutz Henley. This shirt, honestly, this outfit, if I'm being honest, makes me feel sexy. I've even gotten compliments on it like, hey, I love what you're wearing. And that's one of the things. It's not a lot of flash. It's not a lot of trendy items. It's simple basics that fit well, that are coordinated properly. This is the secret to dressing sexy. The next rule in looking sexy, gentlemen, is outerwear, right? This is one of the pieces that a lot of guys get wrong, right? A lot of of guys think, oh, it's just a jacket. No, 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 gentlemen. Sexy jackets make you look sexier, all right? This one, the navy pea coat, a must for every sexy dude. And here is another incredibly sexy jacket. It's the bomber, right? The bomber, in my opinion, is a must-have for every stylish dude. You combine it with something clean and sexy, like a simple Cutz Henley, some jeans, a t-shirt, a hoodie. You absolutely look amazing. This bomber actually comes from Cutz. The fit is absolutely perfect. The quality, once again, is incredible. Look at this, right? It's clean, it's sexy, and if you want to grab it for 30% off, there's a link down below. And the leather jacket, gentlemen, that is one of the sexiest jackets a dude can wear, in my opinion. But you got to make sure the jacket is age appropriate, all right? You also need to make sure the style, in terms of your aesthetic, works with the jacket. But bottom line, if you're wearing a sexy jacket, you look amazing. Last rule, before we actually get to specific items that women find the most attractive, is all about shoes. Gentlemen, shoes matter. Wearing great shoes is an easy way to elevate the aesthetic of a look. It's also an easy way to get the attention of a spicy ass senorita, which is where we're going to start in terms of items that women find most attractive on men. Number one is suede chukkas, all right? Suede boots are an amazing way to elevate your aesthetic, not to mention add richness and texture to an outfit. Also, leather sneakers, the nice clean ones, also viewed as sexy. Guys that wear more stylish kicks like Jordan 1s, gentlemen, sexy like hell. The next item that women find crazy, irresistibly sexy is a henleys shirt. Do a Google search, gentlemen. I'm telling you, henleys are sexiness personified, right? They look amazing on a dude, and if you've got a nice physique, they look extra sexy. Next up is a perfect fitting t-shirt and sexy ass jeans. The t-shirt jean combination, gentlemen, you can't lose. You look amazing. You also are going to drive those spicy senoritas loco. Now, this t-shirt is from Cutz. These jeans are not from Cutz, but the fact is, if you find a pair of denim that makes you look amazing, wear them all the time. Accessories are also something that automatically make you look more attractive and sexy. Gentlemen, the fact is, any dude can wear a great outfit, right? You can wear a sexy outfit even, but it's the accessories that really make or break an outfit. An amazing watch, not an Apple Watch, great. A cool ring, amazing. Maybe a necklace, incredible. Earrings, not so much. I'm just being honest, right? Women do not typically find men with earrings like super like, oh my God, he's wearing earrings. It's just one of those like personal preference thing. But glasses, every woman thinks a dude that wears glasses like these looks like he drives a bus and probably has a van with bad, naughty things in it. Seriously, these are my Uncle Barry glasses. Now, they're not necessarily technically sexy, but wearing eyewear, glasses, is a great way to elevate your aesthetic. Something else that is sunglasses. Yeah, exactly, right? I look like a mob boss, Al Pacino style. Gentlemen, sunglasses are sexy. Boxer briefs are also crazy nuts sexy, gentlemen. All right, we talk a lot about underwear because all underwear is not created equal. All right, boxers suck. They don't support anything. They make you look like a little boy. And when you get naked, it makes your legs look super skinny because they're just like baggy. The other downside to boxers is always having to tug and tuck and make sure they're like situated down in your pants, or if they come out and they see your flamingo undies, gentlemen, not sexy. Something else that's not sexy is tighty whities. Imagine this for a second. I'm with some spicy senorita. I'm like, yeah, girl. She's like, ooh, take your clothes off. And I'm like, okay, let's do it. She's going to be like, no, let's not do it because those underwear suck. A sexy fragrance is also a must-have, all right? Because here's the deal. One of the things that you need to understand is that when you smell amazing, it makes you like 10 times more attractive and sexy. It's kind of like wearing a fitted shirt. The first time I ever put on like a fitted dress shirt, like my mind was blown because it was basically like cut for my body, right? And that's one of the reasons why I love the brand Cutz so much. All the clothing that I get feels like it was built for me. Guys, if you are ready to upgrade and elevate your style, your wardrobe, I want you to hit that link down below because like I said, for a limited time, right now only, 30% off site-wide. Gentlemen, Cutz is the best casual clothing company on the market. They make sexy, perfect men's clothing that's going to make you look incredible. It's also going to make you look sexy. I'm talking from a 3 to a 12.5.